Today we are going to show various creation of the PPT diagram. Today we have two diagrams that we are going to show you. ये जो डायग्राम है ये मार्केट में आजकल ऐसे ही डाउनलोड में मिल जाता है बट प्रॉब्लम ये है कि वट एवर यू आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम द मार्केट और एज अ डाउनलोड इज नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रिक्वायरमेंट मीन्स अगर आपके पास सपोज ये डायग्राम जो हमने बनाया है ये 4 बुलेट पॉइंट्स के लिए है मे बी यू रिक्वायर 6 बुलेट पॉइंट्स तो इन दैट केस उस सिनेरियो में आपको आइदर यू हैव टू नो हाउ टू एडिट दैट और you have to create your own. So वही हम लोग आज सीखेंगे कैसे you can make this beautiful diagram. So let's start this with the first one. Open the new PowerPoint and let's go to insert and go to the shape. So we'll shift from here. So what is the difference between this shape and this shape? This shape you have the option to modify these shapes. So I'm selecting here and just make it 2 from the width and height and width, make it 2. Okay, so now and make it little round, not much, this much only, it's okay. Now press the shift and control and make it 4. ये ऐसा कुछ नहीं, ये जस्ट आपका कॉपी पेस्ट कर रहा है तो हो गया. Once this is done, you select this one and make it round shape. This is also select this one, make it round shape. Okay, once done, select all this and go to shape format, select on shape format, go to shape and make it fragment. अब from this side इसको delete करो and इसको delete करो and select again, select and make it union. आप इसको straight कर दो, सीधा कर दो. Once this is done, make it here. Okay, now again go to insert and round shape. In the round shape here, go to this sections, make it 1.6, here also 1.6 and आप इसे ठीक बीचों बीच प्लेस कीजिए. Okay, now make the round shape white shape. ये आप आपके हिसाब से यूज कर सकते हैं whether you want to use the 3D shapes or not. You can give shadow as well, like I'm giving here. So copy these things and paste it and bring it here. Okay, it's done. Now this is the shape that we have created. You can also use the shade color. So it's done now. Now we have to select all select all, Control A and all Control G. Make it all Control Shift G. So it will be all right click and group it. So it's group done. Once this is done, make a 3 similar kind of diagram. 1, 2, and this is 3. Keep it here, keep it here. Now move this 2 shape and 45 degrees. Okay, and this one revise 45 degrees. Now you have to little adjust and make it. Okay, so it's done. Now select all, you can group it. Okay, bring here all the points, bullet points here. Adjust it according to your needs. Like this, you adjust it. Yes, yes. You can make this little this this so it will be look good. So, so now it's very easy to make such diagram, right?